feel the heat of the water.
Yes.
Oh, so it's perfectly steamed. It's tender, you know. It could be seen it's tender.
And you can see the fish now look is pure white.
Color could actually be seen for the fish. Is it supposed to be this white?
Yes, definitely.
Because of being steamed in the water.
Right.
And very light. No spices, no onions, no tomatoes, unlike our food, of course.
Yeah.
The best part is, you know, after steaming the fish, the nutrients are all the nutritions of the fish, they are just retained in the fish.
Yes, absolutely right.
Quite healthy to eat all of them.
Yeah, this is for the steamed fish.
Okay, this is for the steamed
so
fish.
now the second time we put in the salt. Now we start heat it with the hot oil.
Oh, are we going to saute the vegetables?
No, we just need heat the oil.
Okay.
And we need heat the oil and just pouring on top of the ginger and the spring onion, so the flavor will come up. And now we start to make the soy sauce, the light soy sauce for the steamed fish.
The sauce first.
Yeah, we just need to put the soy sauce.
Oh, as soon as the soy sauce has been kept in the pan.
Yeah, we just put in few drops the Maggi sauce.
Or some seasoning.
Yeah, and then now we start pouring the sauce into the ladle, brown color.
So the entire
beautiful.
color has completely changed.
Yeah, so it's
quite
beautiful.
Fascinating.
Yeah.
It's been changing colors so often.
So then we just place some the ginger, cooked ginger and spring onion.
Of course, the chopsticks have been beautifully placed on the fish.
So you just need to get
so
few
some more
pieces.
green, some coriander, of course.
So you just
Again,
get a little bit flavor. Yeah.
Okay, so we're done with the fish. We're done with the entire presentation of the fish, and now we're back to our second dish, which is the Kinder prawns. Yeah.
Let's start to the marination. Little bit pepper.
Slight amount of white pepper.
Yeah.
Chicken powder, of course.
Because you need to give the material the basic taste.
The basic taste.
Yeah.
So the basic taste has to be retained.
Yeah.
And the spices can never overcome all of this. I'm so sure, of course.
See, now we just put a little bit dry corn flour. So now we just put in the batter.
Yeah. The prawns are actually marinated with the batter of baking powder, flour and the corn flour, mixed with some salt, some very tiny amounts of white pepper, of course, and some chicken powder.
Now we can start
And
preparing
we are
the
walking
dishes.
towards the wok
Yeah.
to deep fry our prawns.
Yep. Yep. A lot of oil for this for frying the prawn.
So we've started to place the prawns in the hot oil. Quite interesting. We're supposed to fry the prawns twice. So once you put the prawns, you take them out.
Yeah.
Put them again.
Put them again when the temperature is
rises up.
Yeah, rises up.
For the first half, for the prawns. Wow.
So we just need to tape it. Yeah. So now we put the prawns again.
In goes our prawns.
Yes.
And this time it's going to make it a lot crispier.
Yes. Get more crisp. And the color gets more golden.
And of course some color changing for the prawns. They're light, they're crispy.
Yeah.
And they are in the perfect color, I must say. All done.
So now we just leave aside.
Okay. So we start making the sauce now.
Yeah.
And the right thing to start out with is garlic, of course.
Yeah. And then we put
and
in the
goes
white
the
table.
capsicum and the onions.
And then you need pour the sauce. Just about 2 teaspoons the chili sauce.
2 teaspoons of chili sauce.
Yeah.
Some chili sauce, some chili paste, some onions, some capsicum, and of course some corn flour. That's been mixed well so that it doesn't make so it doesn't spoil the sauce with it.
Yeah.
Do we just put the prawns in the sauce?
Yeah, we just put the prawns in the sauce.
So we're placing the prawns right in the dish.
Mm-hmm.
I am quite stunned by the way the entire dish has been looking in here.
Okay.
I'd rather eat it and then talk about it. So some more greens added too, of course. It's going to add to the flavor as well as to the presentation as well.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
dish.
So
Quite
it is done. So See? So second dish is done.